Hey guys, it's flooding, guys.
No flash
Wow!
flooding. It's flash flooding.
Yeah, this sounds really weird, but we can't really see our faces. Well, either way, it's flooding a lot.
Yeah, and we're happy. The government came here to try to open it. I'm Kenny's friend, by the way. I have a YouTube channel too. Link will be in the description.
What?
To my channel. Alright, well, turn the camera. Well, this is what they're doing right now. So kids can play in this, so it's fun. Alright guys, we're recording, so please.
I taped this to my hand so it's not waterproof.
Yeah, so, oh, it's not recording. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so guys, this is what happened. And so, yeah, the government came to fix the flood. And yeah, so
Look how dirty it is.
yeah, look down.
Look how dirty it is.
I know.
Wait, guys, look how deep it is. Guys, look at me. Hey, look how deep it is. Check my feet. See how deep it is? Even over there, it's like deep to my knees.
Okay.
And don't tell me I'm short, because your face is short. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay, we're heading into deep.
Recording a YouTube video.
We're heading into deeper waters.
You don't tell me.
Deep to my legs. It's so deep. Yeah, I'm still recording. Why would I not feel?
Alright, well, guys, we are just gonna leave this alone, and we're just gonna.
We're gonna keep on going ahead.
And look at my knees.
If this phone falls into the water, it's over.
Hey, put down. And it's gonna rain in an hour or half an hour, so this is good.
It'll be much deeper after this, probably.
By the way, there's only one drain hole on the whole entire street, right there, on the edge, right there.
Oh, that explains why there's a flash flood.
Yeah, that right there. That's the somewhere over there. That's the only place.
Is that a water bottle?
No, that's a bottle.
But still.
It's a big one, bigger.
Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Go ahead.
Well, yeah, that's a tour of what's happening.
Imagine if there was no such thing as sewer pipes.
Yeah.
Oh God.
This is what it would be, except like this big.
Like
This is like 2 times this. That's what it would be.
it would totally overcome your house and it would be destroyed.
And the only way to get rid of the water is either vacuum it up with the water pump, or just let it just.
Oh, dogs! Dogs in the water. Whoa, dogs in the water. What they gonna do? What they gonna do?
Do you have anything to say now? I mean, Kenny.
No. Those are pugs, not dogs. But still.
Hello, Evan. You're on a YouTube video. I taped it to my hand.
Yeah, that's a lot. 2016.
Oh God, it's so deep. To my legs now.
Guys, look where mine are. It's to my thing.
And you're short.
Okay, come on. We gotta keep on going.
We're gonna go to the end and see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be mind blowing.
Literally.
We gotta pick up that. We gotta pick it up and recycle it.
No.
Yeah, I gotta.
No.
It's to protect the world. Oh. There's a garbage can flipped over.
I know. You know where that was before during the rain?
Look at the hydrant pump.
Hey, Katie, you know where that? Hey, guys.
Oh God, it's to my pants now.
Yeah, come over here. Come over here.
And when you think you buy short pants,
It's not in your pants now.
I know, I don't care. That garbage can right there. Look, turn the camera. It's behind the bus.
Right.
See that garbage can right there?
Oh wow, the water.
It was over here. A little
Oh
bit.
God, it swam over there. Oh God. Was.
Oh my God.
Guys, we got.
Yes. That was gonna be that.
guys, garbage cans can swim.
How come this water's less deep?
No, this is actually deeper because when I have the.
Okay, we gotta recycle it.
Alright,
Oh,
no.
I'm not touching that now.
Yeah, I'm not touching that.
Ew.
What?
Ew.
Bugs!
Oh no.
Oh, run! Oh God!
It's a trap!
Run, everyone. Let's go over here.
Yeah, let's go over here.
It won't be as deep because of
Ah, it's one of those what's it called again? Like to clean
Bottles?
pools. To clean pools.
Oh, Clark's. I mean,
Ah.
Clark's. Hey guys, we forgot what that
Clorox. Dumped it over here. The bugs are dead.
is. No, not Clorox. It's something else.
Let's
Yo,
go,
somebody's
Brooks.
recording us.
Wanna
Look.
go, Brooks? Brooks, wanna go?
Oh God, there's so many bugs.
Hey, somebody's recording us. Somebody's recording us. Yeah.
Camera versus camera.
Damn it. All right, turn the camera.
So good.
What?
Look at Danny. Look.
Yeah, look, show them.
It's bad. Guys, we should ride our bicycles on the.
You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna have to carry it like this.
No,
Oh my God, he's watching us again. Camera versus camera.
let's go to the garbage. Yeah, God.
Wow, that was fun.
Oh, this is so disgusting.
Worth it.
That's the best.
Oh God.
Another Clorox bin.
Another one.
Move away from it.
I think my storage is almost full. I think.
Oh, the plank. There's the garbage can, guys.
Ah, I think I crushed the bug. Accidentally. Clorox.
I think. What is it Clorox? I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, here's the garbage can that fell over.
Hi guys.
Used to be over there. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the other deeper water.
No, we're not going there.
Okay.
It's so scary.
It hurts. It hurts.
Okay, bye, guys. This is the end of the video.
Hope you guys enjoyed. My YouTube channel will be in the description.
Oh, sticks on the floor. It hurts.
With your shoes on?
Ah, yes.
All right.
This is another review on the flash flood.
Everywhere.
Part 2.
What? No. What?
Let's make this part 2.
Yeah, we don't really have a good name for this, so we're just
We're just gonna name it flash flood.
Let's flood part 2.
Okay.
There's another garbage can flipped over.
Yeah, we saw that before.
I didn't see it.
Bro, you are
And
Yeah, you see how big
the
that
side crooked.
the side crooked? Was always crooked.
Ah, no, my pants. Christ. Is this better than a swimming pool we were gonna go to? No, this is not better.
It's a little bit better and a little bit worse.
Better because it's bigger, but worse.
So disgusting.
Disgusting. Guys, so many.
This is a meetup. What would you rate this, guys? I would rate it a 2-star and a half of the 30.
Oh God.
A half.
This is definitely a swamp. Okay, who's gonna role play as Shrek?
Me? No, you replay us. I'll be the dog.
Oh my God.
Get out of my swamp!
Ew! Why is this? Ew! Ew!
Go away. I think it's foam.
Bad.
Some people are just chilling in the water on seats.
Bad. And some people are so.
What is that?
No, what is that? No, but what is that thing?
Is that a whirlpool? Is there something alive under there? What?
From the ground, there are pipes.
Okay. I know what you're talking about.
There's a crack between the grass and the.
I'm older than you.
Okay.
Where? Don't be really dangerous about it.
This is so much fun. Okay, guys, don't come here. By the way, it's too dirty for you guys. I don't think you guys.
Oh,
can
God.
handle it. I don't think you guys.
Okay, here come the girls. Little girls.
Girls that always ruin for it.
It's a stampede right there.
Stampede.
And here comes the wild girls from the wilds.
The new kind of species.
And we are the lions. Attack!
With some sort of shotguns in our hands. That is like the black. So these are the new species called girls. We're making a YouTube video. Hello.
Let's just go. Okay, we're gonna keep on going to that bush. I wonder if there's anything hiding behind the bush.
Which means
By the way, guys, I got braces. Okay. Keep on going. The cars or vans are
Wait, Danny,
Mostly kinda underwater, not that far.
Danny, bring the camera over here.
Cars can't come over here because, well.
Yeah, well, we're playing around. It became a kid's playroom. So first we blocked off that so cars can't come.
They, not we.
No, me and the police.
This is
woman, we blocked the street, and now kids came out so we could play. So now you can get through.
This is our
You need allowance from the police woman to enter here. Without it, you may not enter. It's illegal to enter.
Oh God, so
This is a new place illegal.
Let's go in the sidewalk.
Okay. Not gonna be on.
looks like the wild girls are finding food in the wild. I'm not gonna be surprised if they gone lost, because they're basically going underwater.
If they even get lost, if you ever find a dead kind of species called girls, don't be surprised. It's what they do.
This is called seaweed, underwater plants. I think a crocodile may be here. You think a crocodile may be here?
Cars are allowed to go here only if they have privilege. Yeah, they're like not gonna be able to cross from like right here, I believe. If they do, they're gonna dump on this stuff.
Okay.
See, they're safe.
Okay, Michael, ride your bike on the water.
No!
Why?
I don't want to crack my bike.
Why? Wait, crack your bike? Crash your bike?
Break it.
How do you-
Because water can break your bikes. Because
I just had the best idea ever. No, Kenny, I had the best idea ever.
you too. He just had the best idea ever.
Not the best, but a good
A
idea.
good idea.
What if we had a water gunfight right here?
Oh, got it.
Best, like, water gunfight in his flash flood. Doesn't seem like a good idea, but let's be honest, we're kids. Okay, bye guys, see you soon.